Robin's soaking her feet in the Rio Frio. Look at all the little campers on it.
Oh. Oh. Ours is the black truck.
Ours is the one that's broke down. I'm not sure where it is on there.
With no air conditioning. That's gonna be that's gonna be a fun ride home today.
Ours is the truck that has the windows open.
Yeah, we.
Robin has prepared for us.
Oh, steak and pineapple.
Steak and pineapple.
Ooh, boy, that's a lot of pineapple. And Georgia Strainer box, which you went through how many already? In
6 days.
6 days?
Sorry, 6 bottles in 3 days.
Okay.
My bad. What?
Looks good.
Yeah, looks real good.
And you like your little Weber?
Weber Q.
Weber Q.
I do, and it's orange.
Why
and that makes it cook better.
Why is it a Q?
Because it has a Q on it.
Oh.
Because marketing, they said they wanted it to be a Weber Q, and so they did it, and it has a trademark stamp. So it's
trademark. Those things are expensive. I looked into
Weber Q.
Weber Q. Very nice. Oh, and the dragonflies are out. I see them hanging out. Almost time for the bats to show up.
That's dessert after just having some steak.
Ah, this is dessert because somebody forgot my Reese's.
Oh snap. I'll never live that down on my anniversary.
I
suck. I'm a bad husband.
Oh, it's alright. I forgot your cookies, your honey.
And you gave me sour milk.
No, I didn't give it to you.
Twice this week you've given me sour milk.
That milk was perfectly fine when we went on this trip. It's because somebody forgot to plug in the refrigerator. Yeah, 12 years, yeah.
12 long years.
12 long years. I didn't have gray hair back then.
I gave my wife gray hair.
You got gray hair too, baby?
I do. My wife gave me gray hair. He's over in the tree right over here. You can see his little red head.
I got him. I'm not very steady, but I got him.
They're beautiful.
That's pretty. That is beautiful.
Oh, you little bugs are annoying.
That'd be awesome. Either it's a bat sanctuary or a birdhouse. Very cute. Is he still there?
Yeah, he's still there. He's hovering right over the water.
Oh, I think I got him.
Keeps going up and down, up and down. There, he's over the concrete. He's over the road. Back down. Up, down. I'm not sure what he's shooting for. Goes down the road.
Yeah. I'm actually getting them.
Well, it's nicer without all those people.
Yeah. So we did a little walk to this nice spot right by the road.
Lovely ambiance with the car tires going by.
Yeah, but at least we can put our feet in the water. And there's little fishies in the water. I see you. Reminds me of the koi ponds.
That is a catfish right there, baby.
Yeah, he's
Look at
big.
him.
I think I got him.
That's so cool. Okay, now I do wish I had the GoPro over here catching that. That would be so awesome.
I'd say go get it, but...
We're losing light so
Yeah.
bad, so quick over here. Maybe in the morning.
Yeah.
Shoot, you know what? They'll be here in the morning. We'll come over.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
we'll have that morning light.
Aw.
We'll put that GoPro and just set it up. Right there.
I'm getting them, baby. Oh, it's a little blurry. Why is it so blurry? There we go.
Yeah, this really is a great spot.
Yeah. Sad it's just right by the road.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very beautiful here.
It is.
See, I had a good idea.
12-year anniversary. This was a good idea, baby.
Ooh. And this spot
You
was...
see your camera.
Oh. I thought you were going to be romantic. You didn't get the camera.
Okay, here's our beautiful tropical paradise by the road. How hilarious is that?
Is that a frog we hear?
Mm-hmm.
There's quite a few fish, baby. That's awesome. Are those bats? I think the bats are coming out already.
Yep. So those are bats.
The bats are out. Gertrude and her family. Out to snack on all these tasty little bugs. Oh, he's so cute.
Alright, so I'm going to kind of hover right here over the road. And hopefully we'll get some shots of the bats flying over our heads. You can see them hovering over the water over here. Going batshit crazy. Oh, that's a bunch of them right there, baby.
They're so cute. You know, in a way, this is cooler than Carlsbad because they're out when it's light enough for me to see them. Carlsbad was so dark, I could just barely see the silhouette of them coming out. Oh, baby.
Wow, that is a lot of bats, baby. I hope your camera picks up even a part.
That would be awesome to have this on video. Looks kind of like a swarm of flies or something from a distance. Oh, I see it. Actually, that was more like a bird.
Bat flight on the Rio Frio. Our final morning at the Rio Frio RV Park. We will miss the trees. And we will miss the water that lies beyond those shrubs and trees over there.
I'll miss the little Gertrude bats.
Oh, and the little red-headed birdies.
Yeah. Look pretty much like cardinals.
And the water, the river.
Really gonna miss the water. Hello, little bumblebee. It's nice to be able to zoom in on you without worrying about getting stung. They are interesting little creatures, huh?
Busy as a bee.
Busy as a bee. Bye, buddy. George is fishing for some fishies.
Catfish.
Catfish.
Saw one last night.
That's my hubby.
We have enjoyed our morning. We have enjoyed our time on the Rio Frio, and now we must go back to reality. So sad.
I don't want to go back to reality.
Reality sucks.
Reality bites.
Oh.
Aww. Looks like they're kissing or grooming each other. What you got there?
What do you mean? What do I got? Coffee?
Yeah, your coffee cup.
Oh yeah, it's a cute little coffee cup, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cute.
What about it?
Where'd you get it?
Oh, I got this coffee cup in San Clemente at Rick's RV Parks when I had to get new shackles for the camper and change them out in the parking lot at San Clemente State Beach. I saw the cup and I thought it was cute, so I bought it.
It is cute. It's a little more dainty than the coffee cups you normally have.
It is.
Normally you have a big Herkin cup of coffee.
I thought it was cute, baby.
Yep.
I was in a mood for something cute. Look at all the little campers on it.
Oh. Ours is the black truck.
Ours is the one that's broke down. I'm not sure where it is on there.
With no air conditioning. That's
No
gonna
air,
be
yeah.
that's gonna be a fun ride home today.
Ours is the truck that has the windows open.
Yeah, we've got a 5-hour drive back to Midland with no air conditioner. Yeah.
Bam!
That's why when you're like getting the hot water heater going to take a shower, I feel like, why bother?
Because I want to feel good when I drive away.
Yeah.
I want to start fresh so I can
for
bitch
all 30
later.
seconds before you start sweating your butt off.
Yep.
And the truck seats become like a slip and slide flume ride.
Pretty much.
Swish.
That's where it's at, baby.
Swish.
That's where it's at.
Is it hot?
So, Mom's oil pressure is good, and its water temperature is pretty low considering. But Robin and I are sweating our private parts off. Because Mom lost the AC compressor, if you can even hear any of this, on the way to South Texas, and